Thinking about selling your home in Reston, Virginia? This is why might be a good time. I'm Gift Hughes, your trusted Northern Virginia realtor, top producer. You're looking to sell your home in Reston, Virginia. You must listening to this 5 reasons why this is a good time to put the home on the market. That's why homeowner like you make a move because of the high demand still strong in Reston. We put the home on the market, 3 houses back to back, and in similar beautiful neighborhood like this, they all went under contract higher than the list price. Let me show you the first house we put on the market and get $60,000 higher than what they're asking. To go inside, come on. When you come in here, a beautiful foyer on the right hand side, former living room. And before you go up to the stair, then you see the plantation window, a beautiful dining area, and flow into the kitchen. This kitchen, the owner have done a lot of work already. Granite countertop, open space, a lot of cabinet space, or hardwood floor throughout. I also love about this house is when you're cooking, you can see the kids play around in the family room with the cozy fireplace. And here we go. My favorite part is the patio and the private that is have a sunroom, so you can go out and entertain with the kids and guests. And guess what? Beautiful backyard to the jogging and walking trail area. Upper level is the 5-bedroom, so ready for the master bedroom. This is very nice, cozy master bedroom, and 2 walk-in closet. And my favorite part is the new vanity with the jacuzzi overlook the window. Private shower with the private toilet. Also have a 4-bedroom. This is a nice full bath that already done, brand new vanity. The basement, you have a big storage right here, unfinished. You can also have an option to make your own bedroom. And full bath is right here. Last space in the basement for entertainment and bar. Best of all is walk out level basement.
Hey, number 3 reason, just to kind of keep things rolling here, is that Reston is very unique in that it offers you the best of 2 different types of worlds. The first one is kind of an urban area. That's going to be Reston Town Center. And then all around that is kind of suburban. So if you want to live kind of more in a community that has houses that are surrounded by trees, Reston has a lot of flexibility. And you have direct access to the Silver Line, which is brand new.
Yeah, and also now come down to reason number 4, which is buyer want to move in ready home, right? A lot of people don't want to deal with the fix it upper, and they don't know the price of the condition that they're gonna fix it and more money out of pocket. So once we guide your seller that prepare to put the home on the market, we know how to make it simple to just paint carpet, make the home look nice, ready for the buyer to move in and unpack the bag.
Yeah, and the 5th reason is selecting the correct realtor. You need a realtor that knows how to negotiate. So you can have the greatest house in the world, but if nobody knows about it because the realtor you chose doesn't have strong marketing, that's silly. So you want to select an agent that has great marketing, has excellent bedside manner, and the 3rd thing is pricing it correctly and being able to negotiate that price at top dollar. The last 3 homes that we sold in Reston each sold on average $30,000 over the list price.
So here's the thing about Reston. The house that we sold is more like a single family home, very nice location, and most of the 3 homes that I'm gonna take you a tour is move-in ready and it is high demand. So when I say that, it's like, okay, good. House number 1 that I already showed, Sierra, we walk through that. That's the video. Now we go to house number 2, which is Howard home. So house number 2 It actually is in the quiet section on the cul-de-sac side, close to lake, and the owner of the home have done everything right, Glenn?
Yes.
They do so much work.
So those particular houses were built back in the late 70s. So there was very traditional floor plan where you had a separate dining room, separate living room, separate kitchen. What this particular homeowner did is they knocked all those walls down and had a big, huge great room that was both combination of kitchen nook, kitchen preparation, living room, family room, all wrapped up into one, which was spectacular.
Right, it's such a
Do you know that Reston is one of the most desirable communities to live in here in the Northern Virginia area? And we're going to share with you 5 key reasons to sell your house now.
So the reason number 1 is still in the high demand for the Reston. So the home, because of the location and desirable for the people to love to move in, easy access and amenities. So this is why people still love moving to Reston. If you price it right, the home is always sell.
Right. Number 2 is the location, which Gift just alluded to. So it sits at the crossroads of the Dulles Greenway and also Fairfax County Parkway. So, and then of course Route 7 goes straight through Reston as well too. So you have quick access to Leesburg, Dulles Airport, and Tyson's Corner.
Modern living, and even the bedroom is very convenient, like have a walk-in closet and all other things that people need, and most of all is desirable location, good condition. Remember, houses sell, right? Because we have a good agent like us to walk them through the whole process of prepare the home for sale and market the right home, just like Glenn said. Communication and relationship that we built is very strong, and the most of all is for the seller, you're looking for the most money in their pocket. That's why follow our lead. That's how you all get successful. So now we come down to house number 3, which is house number 3, Brittany and Michael house. We list is on Friday. We have an offer in right away in the same day. And how many offers we got in?
I think we had a total of 4 offers total.
Yes, correct. And we list is at $975, which is again, this seller is super smart because they follow our lead. They don't want to overprice the home. They know what they're looking for. But guess what happened? The market generates it up automatic, right?
Yeah.
From $975 to $1,060,000.
So let me crystallize this for you if you haven't caught the theme yet. We have a proven bulletproof plan to get you top dollar almost immediately as long as you follow the plan. So the only unknown here is whether or not you're ready to receive top dollar for your house through an experienced real estate team like ours at 23 Homes.
Yes, it's so important to have number 1, select the right agent. With that said, we love to have go walk through your home or have a consult with you if you're thinking about selling in the next year, or even just get the home value fee evaluation. So we have a tool, we have an experience that we can walk you through the whole process. And thinking about moving in Reston or planning to sell, we here, right, Glenn?
Yeah, give us a call at 703-707-0334 or visit us at 23homes.com.
I forgot to mention, our office is in Reston. We live in London. It's just like our backyard. We drive past every day, so we know the market so well. So you're not disappointed working with us. All right, see you again in the next video. Number 2, list for $975, have 4 offers, and the contract went up to $1,060,000.
This home is so beautiful. I call the oasis of Reston. You can't really see how good from the outside look, but the neighborhood is amazing. You can see from here a lot of mature tree, and it's beautiful. And Reston, Virginia is amazing neighborhood. They have a lot of walking, jogging trail, and something that you can do on the activity. Lake Ann is also step away, and shopping and dining area. It's a lot of choice that you can do. It's one of the most recommend to live into Reston. So anyway, check out my new listing. Let us help you what we know best, so then you can focus on less hassle when it's come to selling and get the most money on your pocket. See you again another time.
Looking to buy and sell real estate
No team in Northern Virginia is better than 23 Homes with Glenn
and Gift.
We're not just about real estate, we're about building relationships and creating spaces where life's most cherished memories are made.